Moana's heart was filled with the spirit of adventure as she gazed upon the mysterious island on the horizon. Stories of the island's enchanted castle had reached her village, tales of animals magically trapped within its walls. Compelled by her innate sense of duty to help those in need, Moana decided to embark on this new adventure. Accompanied by her father, Chief Tue, and her wise grandmother Tala, Moana set sail across the vast ocean. As they approached the island, its beauty unfolded before them. Lush green forests, towering mountains, and shorelines adorned with colorful corals. But the castle loomed ominously atop the highest hill, its grandeur now a haunting sight. Determined, Moana led her family through the winding paths of the island's dense jungle, her grandmother sharing old legends of the island's past. They say the animals were guardians of this land, Tala recounted. But a dark spell cast by a greedy sorcerer trapped them inside the castle, their cries echoing through time. With these words in mind, Moana felt a renewed sense of urgency. As they neared the castle, they were greeted by an unlikely ally, a mischievous monkey who beckoned them to follow. Led by the monkey's chatter, they discovered a hidden entrance at the side of the castle, carefully concealed by vines. Inside the castle, the family encountered a series of riddles and challenges that tested both their wit and courage. Lush tapestries covered the walls, depicting scenes of the island's forgotten history. Moana's father, Tue, demonstrated his strength by moving heavy blocks that paved the way forward, while Tala's wisdom helped decipher ancient symbols written in the glowing moonlight. Together, they navigated through shadowy corridors until they reached the enchanted hall where the animals were imprisoned. Moana approached a massive crystal, its surface gleaming with magical energies. She was hesitant but resolute. Guided by her grandmother's teachings and a connection she felt with the animals, she placed her hand upon the crystal. A surge of warmth spread through Moana, and a soft light surrounded the crystal. Each animal's form shimmered and glowed before their cages melted away, releasing them from the magical bonds. Birds took to the sky, a regal lion bowed in gratitude, and playful rabbits danced around their feet. With the animals free and the island awakened from its slumber, Moana and her family celebrated their victory under the stars. Her father's eyes glowed with pride, while Tala sang ancient songs of freedom and harmony. Moana knew this adventure was not just about rescuing the animals, but about restoring balance to a land that had long forgotten its guardians. And as the waves lapped gently at the shores, the island began to feel the blossoming of hope once more.